Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into Wabtec's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Wabtec has certainly kicked off the year with some impressive numbers, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Wabtec reported a net revenue of $2.61 billion for the first quarter of 2025, marking a 4.5% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The growth in revenue is primarily driven by higher sales in both the freight and transit segments. The freight segment saw a 4.2% increase, largely due to a 16.9% rise in services. Meanwhile, the transit segment experienced a 5.3% increase, thanks to higher original equipment and aftermarket sales.
And what about profitability?
Wabtec's adjusted earnings per share came in at $2.28, which is a significant 20.6% increase from the previous year. This was supported by an adjusted operating margin of 21.7%, up 1.9 percentage points from last year, indicating strong operational efficiency.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.01 based on a survey of 5 analysts. Wabtec's actual adjusted EPS was $2.28. How significant is this beat, John?
This is quite a substantial beat, exceeding expectations by 27 cents. It highlights Wabtec's strong performance and ability to manage costs effectively, even amidst economic uncertainties. The company's strategic focus on expanding its service offerings and improving operational efficiencies has clearly paid off.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Wabtec has also shown impressive operational efficiencies. Can you tell us more about their operating margins and cash flow?
Wabtec's adjusted operating margin increased to 21.7%, up from 19.8% last year. This improvement is due to higher sales and better gross margins. However, cash flow from operations was $191 million, down from $334 million last year, primarily due to higher accounts receivables.
And what about their future outlook?
Wabtec has increased its adjusted EPS guidance by 10 cents at the midpoint, now ranging from $8.35 to $8.95, reflecting confidence in their ongoing strategies despite economic volatility. Their revenue guidance remains unchanged, indicating stability in their core operations.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Rafael Santana, Wabtec's CEO, has shared some insights on the company's performance. What are the key highlights from his statements?
Rafael Santana emphasized the strong start to the year, with over 20% growth in earnings per share. He highlighted the momentum in their international business, which has been growing at a high single-digit rate and delivering higher profitability than North America. This growth is supported by an expanding installed base of locomotives and transit car systems.
And how is Wabtec rewarding its shareholders?
Wabtec returned $141 million to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, demonstrating their commitment to delivering value to investors.
Key takeaways. In summary, Wabtec has delivered a strong first quarter with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies have positioned them well for the future. John, any final thoughts on Wabtec's investment prospects?
Wabtec's ability to exceed EPS expectations and increase guidance amidst economic uncertainties is a positive sign for investors. Their focus on international growth and shareholder returns makes them an attractive option for those looking for stability and growth potential.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Wabtec's performance in the comments below.